Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ross Macfarlane here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can explode your affiliate marketing or online business sales using free strategies with your Facebook profile. So go ahead and stick around because I'm going to be sharing you this absolutely epic way where you can start making money with your Facebook profile today. So if this is your first time on the channel, make sure to go ahead, hit the little subscribe button below and make sure to hit the little bell icon so you get notified when I post a video each and every single week. Now, I've been in the online space for a while now, and if you've been following me on this channel, you'll know that I've generated all my sales through paid marketing. So this type of strategy for me is totally new. So what I've done is I've actually used this strategy, managed to generate some sales, and I did this with a specific offer. Now, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll actually share that offer with you so you can actually go ahead and use that offer as well. But what we'll do is we'll get started and we'll dive straight in and I'll show you how you can start using your Facebook profile to start making money online right now. So the first thing that we're going to need is an offer. And if we don't have an offer, to find that offer, we're going to have a niche. Now, the biggest three things that sell online, the biggest, highest demand online is health, wealth, and relationships. So if you don't have a specific niche there or niche, if you're in the US, that's definitely one to go with to begin with. So that's definitely one to get started. So for this example, I'm just going to use the make money online niche. So that would fall under wealth. Now I've mentioned those three main categories, but every category has a subcategory. So we've got wealth, make money online, wealth, affiliate marketing, health, weight loss, health, beauty. Everyone's got every single category has got a subcategory. But for the purpose of this video and this tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the make money online niche. So I've got my offer. We know what our offer is. It's a make money online opportunity offer. So how do we go about start to using our Facebook profile to then start making money with this offer? How do we start posting our links out to people so we can start generating revenue? So here's what we'd do. We'll jump into the computer now and I'll show you. What we'd do is we'd head over into our Facebook profile, and what we want to do is we want to join as many groups as possible within our niche. So if you're in the health niche, start joining stuff that's going to align with your offer. So for me, in this example, make money online. So for me, I would just start typing in affiliate marketing, and then loads of stuff's going to come up when I spell it correctly. Affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing. And I can go down here and I can search for groups. And I can start joining lots of groups. Some are going to ask for approval and stuff. Others are just pretty like spammy groups and stuff. But you get the point. You can start joining groups. I could type in make money online here, digital marketing, lots of different things. So I could type in make money online. And I could start joining all these different groups. Now, as a marketer now, what we have to start doing is we can have 5,000 friends on our Facebook profile. So we have to start thinking like a marketer and start thinking that these 5,000 potential people can be 5,000 potential clients or customers that we want to reach. So how do we go about getting these 5,000 people, especially people that are in our niche? There's no point in having 5,000 friends on Facebook that are not interested in what you're trying to promote. It has to be something that's within your niche. So start joining these groups. Start joining all these different groups that are within your niche, and what to do is don't just start spamming these groups. There's just not what to do. Don't start spamming these groups. What to do is start adding value to these groups. Now, when people say value, they wonder what that is. It could be anything. It could be, hey, I've just started on this journey of making money online. I'm just a new beginner. And introduce yourself. It could be anything. Provide a little bit of value. Maybe you've just started learning how to use WordPress and started building websites. Provide a little bit of value, a little bit of a hack. Drop a little post in. You can maybe do it for a few days. Now, people are going to start checking out your profile and they're going to start adding you. If you're doing this for 20 minutes a day, add in, say, 10, 20 people, over a period of time, your Facebook friends list is going to start growing and growing and growing. And you start adding people within those groups as well. So what's going to happen is your Facebook profile is going to grow and it's going to be people who are interested in your niche. My niche, make money online. Then what we do is, after we've done that, we've got our product, now we want to promote it. So what we'd do is, I've got the example that I used here. It didn't get a lot of sales, I got a few, but I'll just show you, I just want to show you for the purpose of the video how to do it. So 3 things that we want to do when we create a Facebook post, and we want to beat the Facebook algorithm, because if we're just, what Facebook as a platform want to do is they want to keep as many people on their platform as possible, and they want to create as much engagement. The more engagement that they get on their posts, the more that it's going to drive up onto different people's news feeds, and it's going to get more reach, and it's going to become it's going to get more reach. I'm looking for a word, I can't remember the word there, but it's going to create lots of reach, and it's going to go on lots of different people's news feeds and stuff, so it's going to get lots more views, and a lot more people are going to see it. So we want to grab people's attention. So how we do that? A video or a photo. So what I've done is I just created a little video here, make money online for free today. So people are like, oh yeah, I want to make money online. How do I make money online? I want to do that. I'm going to read this post. So so within this post, I want to create some curiosity. I don't want to give it away, because if I give it away, people are not going to engage with the post. So I've got here, like, I finally cracked the code on how to make money online for free. Never did I think this was possible without free organic marketing strategies, but I stand here today truly corrected. I'm currently using this myself and generating a profit each week. Bearing in mind I am using this product that I'm promoting, and I am generating money off it each week. So I am doing it with authenticity. I'm not just spamming. So it says, want to know how I'm doing it. So people are like, yeah, I want to know how I'm doing it. Yeah, great. I really want to know. So I've just done a little bit of a story here. Always use emojis. Emojis will always grab attention as well. And then you can back it up with a little bit of proof here as well. If you have proof, you may not have it yet. You can maybe use the product and then get the proof. And then what to do from there is, so you've grabbed attention with the photo, you've created curiosity with the post, and now you want to create engagement. So how you create engagement is, what you do is, you would say, instead of just dropping the link to your affiliate link where Facebook would hate and people would just click and then you've not provided any value, what to do is just leave a little comment on the post saying, if you want more info, comment hashtag more info, hashtag I want to learn more, whatever that may be. Now, that's going to create a lot more comments, and it's going to win or hack the Facebook algorithm, because Facebook's going to think, oh yeah, this post is getting lots of engagement, it's getting really lots of engagement, that's what we like, we want to keep people on our platform, people engaged on our platform. It's going to push that post up. And say you've got John Smith who sees it on his news feed, and he sees it, he likes it, shares it, comments on it, then that's going to show to people on his news feed, and it's just going to get more reach and more engagement and all this different stuff. And every time someone engages on your post, every time someone leaves a comment on your post, engage with that person. Like, comment, and engage with that person as well. So that's going to create more engagement. And then what to do is, once you've done that and you've left it for a little while, and you think it's got as much engagement as possible as what you can do, you go back and you direct message each and every single person. So like, just say for example, I was on, like I said, this one didn't get much because I was just doing this, but you could just like hover over here, message, instantly drop them a message and just let them know, give them a little bit of value and then a little bit of a pre-sale, and then just drop them the link and let them know, and then go and find it out for themselves, so they can go ahead and go and test this product out that you're promoting. And then ideally you want something with a free trial or a money back guarantee, and then if they go and try it out and then they do think it's a good product and they do purchase it, then you get a commission for that sale. Now, I did say at the start of the video I was going to share this exact same offer and product that you can use so you can go and get started, because this product does actually offer an affiliate program, and it does have a subscription based program as well. So it means you get, I think it's 40% of the subscription base each month that you get. So if you want to do that, because with this actual post I was driving back to my YouTube channel, which was then talking about how I've used this actual offer and how I make money with this offer, and it also has an affiliate program if you did want to go ahead and get signed up to that. So the company is called Profit Accumulator. I'll leave a little link in the description below where you can go and check them out, and you can start your free trial, maybe start promoting it yourself But what I'll do is I'll leave a little link in the description below. And if you have any comments and you want to leave any comments on this video, or you do use this strategy and you get some success with it, please let me know. I would love to know if you start making some sales and start generating some revenue online using this strategy. I would love to hear from you. And if you found any value from this video whatsoever, make sure to smash that like button, share it with a friend even. Go ahead, leave a comment below, and I will catch you in the next video.